Hi, you join me for another lockdown cocktail, and today I'm going to make a Pierre Collins. Pierre Collins is a great, refreshing cocktail, and it's not very well known. It goes down a storm with my students, so I thought best to share how to make one. So come on over, we're going to be using cognac as our spirit, with a bit of simple syrup, some soda water, some fresh lemon juice, and a little orange peel as a garnish. You'll need also a full glass of ice. Tall glass full of ice. So, how do we make it? The Collins is effectively a sour that's made long, and we start with 2 shots of cognac. And that goes to the top. Lovely. So that's our strong element. Then a single shot, I already measured this, a single shot of lemon juice, freshly squeezed, in it goes. Then we need just a half measure of some simple syrup. Just gives it that balance against the sharp acidity of the lemon. So in that goes. Now we do the fun bit. Just got to shake it. So we've got some ice ready to go here on the top. Give it a little pat and shake it until it goes cold, about 12 seconds. You know, that seems like enough to me. Get the top off is always the tricky bit, but I like to push and give it a little twist. Now, we're just going to strain it into our glass using a Hawthorn strainer. You could choose to double strain it at this point, but I don't like to. Great. And then, to make it a proper Collins, we pop in some soda water, about 2 measures, about 2 shots. Leaving a little gap at the top. Then we give it a little stir, just to mix in that soda. Out that comes. Pop a garnish on the top. You can use an orange peel and even a little bit of a cherry if you're feeling racy, but I like a nice little bit of orange there. In that goes. And finally, a little straw. Ooh. And there we have it, a Pierre Collins.